Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily generate Halloween poster on Canva using AI. So what you need to do is open your Canva. In here, I'm using my browser and open canva.com. Now on the Canva homepage, you'll see at the left panel in here, there's this Dreamlab AI tool. So you can just tap on this Dreamlab. Now you can just write the prompt that you want or descriptions for the image that you want to create. So in here, I'm going to use this one, Halloween poster, which include crafted pumpkin, flying ghost, and witch. So you can just use any prompts that you want, and here you can also choose the style: cinematic, creative, smart, bokeh, illustration, fashions, but I'm going to just go with smart, so it will automatically generate right style for the description that I write in here. And you can also choose the size. So I'm going to go with 9:16 to upload it to my Instagram stories, let's say. Now you can just tap on create and just wait until Canva generating my Halloween poster. Okay, it will provide you with 4 options like this. You can just choose which one that you want to use. For example, I'm going to use the last one in here. You can directly download it by clicking on this arrow down, or you can also edit it again on Canva using these edit options. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.